Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to stake cryptocurrencies on Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top of the screen, we have the traders, lenders, about more, we have the sign out button and return to platform. And also we have the start trading button, which is in the middle of the screen, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and stake cryptocurrencies on Bitfinex. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, you need to go and choose your token. Visit the Bitfinex staking page and browse the list of supported digital tokens. Select the ones that best suit your needs. Of course, you can do that when you click on the trading here. Then deposit tokens. Deposit your chosen digital token into your Bitfinex account. You can either transfer them from an external wallet or purchase them directly on the platform. Of course, start staking. Once your tokens are in the Bitfinex account, staking will begin automatically. Bitfinex will handle the rest and you will start earning staking rewards. Then earn rewards. Your staking rewards will be deposited into your account on a weekly basis. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.